Welcome to CNC Design Vault, your ultimate source for all things CNC and design. Are you a CNC enthusiast searching for high-quality 3D models? You're in the right place. Whether you're upgrading your home, office, or shop, we've got something special for you. In today's video, I'm excited to share a stunning Royal 3D door model completely free. Yes, it's 100% free, even though it's worth a lot. Our channel offers both premium and free 3D models for CNC, and this door design is perfect for adding a luxurious touch to any space. Don't go anywhere. In just a moment, I'll open this stunning 3D door model in Aspire software, where you'll see how easily you can customize it to your needs and create a toolpath for your final CNC project. The download link for this free 3D model is available in the video description and pinned in the first comment below. If you love this design, and I'm sure you will, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support keeps the creativity flowing. Stay tuned, because more amazing designs are coming your way soon. You can also resize this 3D model to fit your needs. Just go to the drawing section in Aspire, select the model, and click on Set Selected Object Size. That's it, super easy to adjust the size exactly as you want. The best thing about this 3D model is that it was created in parts using Aspire software. Each part has been left ungrouped, allowing you to easily modify or customize any section according to your needs. Now it's time to create the toolpath for this design. This step will help you visualize the final result before even starting the machine operation. With the toolpath preview, you'll get a clear idea of how the design will look once carved, making sure everything is perfect before you begin cutting. Just a moment, the toolpath is generating. Just a moment, the toolpath is generating. This intricate model was created using Aspire 9.5 software, ensuring smooth toolpaths and high-quality results for CNC routers and woodcarving machines. Just a moment, the toolpath is generating. Just a moment, the toolpath is generating. Finally, just create the toolpath for this 3D model to see how it will look once your project is completed on the machine. It's a great way to preview the final result before starting the actual cutting process. The download link for this free 3D model is available in the video description and pinned in the first comment below. If you love this design, and I'm sure you will, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support keeps the creativity flowing. Stay tuned, because more amazing designs are coming your way soon. Thanks for watching.